A lot of people have asked me where Emene industrial and residential area is in Enugu. And today, starting from WAEC Round About, so right there in front of us is WAEC Round About. We're heading to Emene industrial and residential area. I'm going to show you where that is. This is Independence Layout. We're heading towards Emene industrial and residential area. Right now, this is the WAEC. This is WAEC Road, where all the courts are, and also WAEC head office is to my right there. Now, if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to show you where the CBN Solar City is. That popular CBN Solar City is actually a beautiful estate right there at the Emene industrial and residential area. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anozie, and if you're just joining us, if you're just meeting this channel for the first time, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and please turn on the small notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you get updates, first time updates whenever I produce this type of videos about quality real estate investments right here in Enugu. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you deeply. Okay, so this is Toscana to the right, and yes, we're making the turn towards Emene industrial and residential area. Come with me on this ride and enjoy it all the way. So right opposite Innoson Technical Company is the Emene Industrial and Residential Area. Now, if you notice, there are a couple of factories or industries around this place. Originally, it was supposed to be just an industry location, just where an industrial location, I beg your pardon. That was what the original plan for this place was. However, I mean, there were not so much industries around Enugu, and up till now, we don't have so many, industries that will occupy this entire space, and it became a bushy environment. And of course, bad people began to take advantage of the bushes, to perpetrate their bad acts. And so the then governor of the state decided to convert this place to a residential, so partly residential and partly industrial. That is why it is called Emene Industrial and Residential Layout. Okay, now of course, because of the industrial nature, there's a lot of power supply here, because the original plan was that companies, industries will be here, and of course there are a lot of companies and industries here, like the Innoson plastic manufacturing company, where he also manufactures his tanks, like the plastic tanks. They are here. There's a lot of farms here, of course, but they are quite demarcated from the residential environments. Now, if you see this entrance, there are more of the industries, and then when you're now driving, you can now see a lot more residential. Okay, as people actually live here, and it is a beautiful place to live, especially because of the fact that you get power supply almost all the time. Now, this road is going to be worked on very soon, because there's Peace Mass Estate inside here, which is now selling. I think it's almost sold out. There's the Oasis and Shelters Estate inside here. There's the CBN Solar City right inside here as well. As a matter of fact, CBN Solar City began to build the road from their estate coming out, as you will see in a moment. Okay, now we have a couple of estates here as well for sale. We have some going for 8 million naira. We have the others going for 10 million naira. We have some also going for 12 million naira, still within this Emene Industrial and Residential Area. The good thing is all our estates here come with a C of O, like they are registered at the Ministry of Lands. Okay, because this area is government approved. It's a government approved layout, and the people I work with make sure that they get their registration directly from the Commissioner of Lands, like from the governor himself. Okay, all right, so this is the Emene Industrial and Residential Area. Okay, so I decided to bring you on a complete ride so that you can feel what the environment is for yourself. So that's the residential compound there. That's a mini estate. These are residential houses. Okay, and then right here is the Oasis and Shelter Estate. Okay, this road too is being worked on at the moment. I decided to actually bring you all the way so that you get to see things for yourself exactly the way it is. I didn't want to cut or edit the videos so much so that you don't get the feel of just exactly the way it is. Now, just the way you've seen it on this video, when you even come on ground and I bring it for inspection right here, this is the same exact way you're going to see. This is Oasis and Shelters Estate. Down the road from here is the CBN Solar City. As you can see, the road is being worked on at the moment. Okay, they've done the stone base, and once we take left, you see that the CBN Solar have actually also tarred their own road. Okay, and right opposite CBN Solar City is one of our estates called Lakewood Estate Enugu. Lakewood Estate Enugu. Lakewood Estate is a 22 plots of land mini estate that comes with a C of O. Is a total buy and build. So once you buy, you can start building your estate, your house immediately. It's a buy and build. So taking left right now, we just hit CBN Solar City. So right here is CBN Solar City. You can see the road is tarred, and it starts right out, of course, down to their entrance, and just opposite this estate is the Lakewood Estate Enugu. Lakewood. So you can see the CBN Solar City. It's actually a beautiful estate. All right, it's still under construction, but of course it's going to be done soon from the speed of work here. So this is Lakewood Estate, and if you check around this channel, you will see the full video of this our beautiful estate. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day. I'm Jeff Anozie. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you get to see this type of videos from time to time whenever we release them. All right, thank you for watching. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.